If you want to verify your Epic Games account quickly and make sure everything is set up correctly, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you how to check your account status, look for the verification email, and confirm whether your email address is already verified or needs attention. This is a simple but important step for keeping your Epic Games account secure and fully functional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, go to the Epic Games account page and sign in with the email and password linked to your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to check your inbox for any recent email from Epic Games about verification. Sometimes the message is already waiting there, and all you need to do is open it and follow the instructions. If you don't see anything in your main inbox, don't worry. The next thing you should do is check your spam or junk folder, because verification emails can sometimes end up there by mistake. Search for messages from Epic Games and look for anything related to account verification or email confirmation. If you find it, open the email and complete the verification steps if needed. If you still don't see the message, the next step is to go to your account settings page on the Epic Games website. This is where you can review the email address currently linked to your account and check its verification status. Under the account section, look for the email address field. If it says unverified, that means your email still needs to be confirmed. In that case, click Edit next to the email field. This can allow you to update the address or trigger a new verification email to be sent. After that, go back to your inbox and look for the new message from Epic Games. Open it, follow the verification link, and complete the process. If the email already shows as verified, then you're all set and there's nothing else you need to do. Your account is confirmed and ready to use. The key thing here is to make sure your email address is correct, accessible, and verified, because that helps you recover your account, receive important alerts, and keep your Epic Games account secure. So to quickly recap, sign into your Epic Games account, check your email, check spam or junk, open account settings, review the email field, and if it says unverified, use Edit to re-verify it. That's the full process. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.